Did you know some dash cams can actually record all around your car at the same time? Front, back, and even both sides. Pretty wild, right? That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the best 4-channel dash cams. Each one is matched to fit a different type of need, so you can see which one makes the most sense for you. You'll find links to every product down in the description if you want to check them out. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be keeping an eye there. Let's get straight into the reviews. Azdome M660, best overall 4-channel dash cam. If you want full coverage, this one does the job from every angle. Front, back, and both sides are all recorded at once, so nothing sneaks past it. The front lens records in crisp 2K, while the others hold steady at 1080p, giving a clear picture without being over the top. What stands out is the built-in memory. Instead of relying on a little card that can be slow or tricky, this one has 128 gigabytes already inside, and it's much faster than the usual setup. Pair that with 5G Wi-Fi, and pulling clips to your phone doesn't feel like waiting for paint to dry. Driving at night is usually where cameras struggle, but with 12 infrared lights, 6 on each side lens, the footage stays sharp even in low light. Voice control is a nice bonus too. I like the idea of just saying a quick command instead of fumbling with buttons. Now, it's not perfect. Storage is locked at that 128 gigabyte limit, the loop recordings are short, and some folks say the mount can rattle on bumpy roads. But for a premium option that covers everything around you, it's tough to beat. Weezas 4-channel, best budget 4-channel dash cam. If you're looking for something that covers every angle without draining your wallet, this one fits the bill. It records all 4 directions at once, front, rear, left, and right, so you don't have to worry about blind spots. The video is clear at full high definition with a smooth 30 frames per second, and the compact design makes it easy to set up without feeling bulky on the windshield. One thing that stands out here is the included memory card. You get 64 gigabytes right out of the box, and it supports up to 256 gigabytes if you want more space. Pair that with loop recording, and you've got hours of coverage without much hassle. Night driving is handled well, thanks to the infrared lights and wide dynamic range. It even has a parking mode, so it keeps watch over your car when it's sitting still. I like that it's light enough to mount with either a suction cup or adhesive, depending on what feels right for you. Now, since this is a budget pick, the field of view per lens isn't as wide as some premium models, and the build feels simpler. But for the price, the features are surprisingly complete. Botslab 3K 4-channel, best 4-channel dash cam for image quality. If sharp, clear video is what you're after, this one really shines. The front lens records in 3K, which makes reading license plates or road signs a lot easier, while the rear and side cameras record in full high definition. Together, you get a total of 560 degrees of coverage, which is more than enough to cover lanes on both sides and everything behind you. Something I like here is the way it handles parking. You can set it up with time-lapse, Sentry mode, or collision detection, so the car isn't left unprotected when you walk away. There's even an 8-second pre-recording feature that captures what happened before an incident, which feels like a little safety net. Connectivity is quick with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and the app interface is simple enough for grabbing clips without frustration. The included 128 gig card is generous, and it supports up to 512 gigabytes if you need more. Now, a few quirks are worth pointing out. The unit is fairly large, so in some vehicles it can block part of the windshield view. The side cameras don't pick up moving objects as clearly at night, and the device can run a bit warm. But if image quality is your top priority, this one is hard to beat. Pruvio D90 channel, best 4-channel dash cam for taxis and Ubers. If you drive for a living, having cameras that cover every angle inside and out can be a huge relief. This one records 4 channels at the same time, giving you a full 360 degrees of coverage, plus an interior camera with infrared lights that keeps the cabin visible at night. That makes it especially handy for taxi and rideshare drivers who want a record of what happens both on the road and in the back seat. The video comes in full high definition across all lenses, and the included 128GB card gives plenty of storage to start with. Loop recording keeps things cycling, and the emergency lock feature makes sure important clips don't get overwritten. Built-in GPS logs speed and routes, which can be useful for ride logs or insurance claims. There are a couple of quirks worth mentioning. The unit is on the bulkier side, so it does take up more windshield space. The side cameras only tilt left and right, not up or down. And while the app works, it can sometimes be finicky. But with reliable coverage, strong night vision, and a 2-year warranty, this mid-range option is a smart pick for professional drivers. V-Sisto 4-channel truck RV system. Best 4-channel dashcam for trucks and RVs. For bigger vehicles like trucks, RVs, or buses, you need something a little different than the typical dash cam. This setup comes with 4 waterproof cameras and a 7-inch display, giving you a wide and clear view of what's happening around a larger rig. Each lens covers 170 degrees, so blind spots are cut down quite a bit. The side and rear cameras even have infrared lights for night driving, which helps a lot when pulling into dark lots or backing up late at night. The system records from 2 cameras at once, usually front and rear or left and right, and supports up to 256 gigabytes on a micro SD card. There's built-in GPS, so speed, routes, and even altitude get logged automatically. I like that the screen can split into different views or show a single camera if you just want to focus on one angle. There are a few quirks. The instructions for wiring could be clearer, and some people end up reinforcing the mounting tape so the monitor stays put. It's also a bit more involved to set up compared to a compact dash cam. But for truckers or RV drivers, the wide coverage, clear display, and dependable night vision make it a strong mid-range choice. 4-channel dash cams give you full coverage, clear recording, and different features that can match different needs. Whether you're driving long hauls, working rideshare, or just want peace of mind, there's an option that fits. If any of these caught your attention, the links are down in the description. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. Drop a comment if you've got questions or just want to share your thoughts. And if you want more reviews like this, check out some of our other videos too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.